Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on Messenger, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window or to the app of Messenger and we click. Here we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Messenger. If you will find here updating this plus sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.